Hello, I am Pascaline Agughala. I am an education technology specialist, a coding, robotics, digital literacy, and design instructor. Now, I teach students in primary and secondary school how to infuse technology in their daily learning by teaching them things like game development. I teach them animations. I teach them how to create games. I teach them how to create mobile applications, how to develop their websites. I teach them how to build robots, how to give instructions, assemble robots. I teach them Internet of Things, how to make Internet of Things projects, physical computing projects. I ensure that children discover their hidden potentials. I teach them 3D designs, 3D animations, you name it, anything that has technology. And I teach students using block-based applications like Scratch, Microbit, Code Arcade, Codedoor, Unity, Stencil, Scratch Junior, MBlock, Pictoblocks, Photon. These are some of the Arduino. These are some of the applications that I use for learning. And I hope that you would enjoy and have fun learning. Thank you.